So we're going to go left then, centre mirror left, and we're going to do a park on the right. So park on the right manoeuvre, it's one of them ones it's not an hard one, it's just picking a safe spot to do it. And being aware of oncoming cars behind you, that can make it trickier, and giving way to people and being next to the curb when you're doing this. So it's a right turn coming up. We're just going to follow the road down here. Now, park on the right round here is going to be quite tricky because of all the little junctions. They're kind of staggered, the junctions on the right and left, so it's not ideal to park on this road. Obviously down there, I think they've parked because there's a hospital just on the corner. So we'll get round the bend and then we'll look for a park on the right somewhere safe. So I'll drop down to second gear, cover the brake, take me time while I'm doing this. The road bends to the left. After the left bend, we're going to look for a park on the right then. Well, straight away, it's pretty easy. So it's either before the silver or after it. So we'll do it before. Centre mirror right, signalling, coming across, slowing myself down, get myself lined up, and slowing down to stop. And give myself enough space for when I reverse back 2 car lengths, it's not on the WR lines. And this manoeuvre, it's ideal if you live on the right hand side. Let this guy go past. Look around. I'm quite close to the curb, about that far from the curb, so that's where I want to stay. And reversing back slowly, a little bit of gas, get slightly uphill, holding the clutch steady. Keep an eye on where the curb is, keep an eye on what's behind you. If anything appears in front of me approaching or behind me, I'm going to have to give way because I'm the one in the way of everyone at the moment. Taking my time. There's 1 car length done, 1 more to go. There we go, there's 2 car lengths. Pop it in first gear. Little left signal, bring myself back to my side of the road on the left and then carry on. I hope you've enjoyed this interactive videos that I've been doing. If you have and you want to watch a few more on different manoeuvres, I'll put a link below and at the end of this video on other manoeuvres you can watch.